Meaning of fire sale.
Fire sale.
Fire sale.
Fire sale.
Fire sale. A fire sale is a sale of goods, often at a discounted price, that occurs when a company faces financial distress and needs to quickly liquidate assets in order to raise cash. The term comes from the notion that such sales are akin to a fire, which requires swift action to prevent further damage. While fire sales can result in bargains for buyers, they often signal financial trouble for the company holding the sale. In some cases, fire sales can even exacerbate a company's financial problems by reducing the value of its assets.